Just Buggin.
Hey guys, this is G-Man with Just Buggin. We're out here looking at a 1966 Beetle, considering buying it, and well, actually, I just bought it. As you can see, it's got some rust. Pillar right there. Basically, I'd probably go ahead and do full floors on it. You get it back here, some Swiss cheese in the package tray, maybe some patch, but you get that all the way across there. It's taken some of the, where the bumper connects right here, it's rotted out there. There's a lot of rust, the body will have to come off of it, but it's got the motor in it, and it is seized, but I don't know, you know, of course, if it's seized from sitting for so long, or if it was seized and that's why it was parked, but it appears to be the original motor for it. You know, it's got the actual air cleaner for that, and this pillar wiggles a little bit, but it still has all the interior in it. So yeah, so this will be a future project at Just Buggin. So we're gonna get it loaded up here on the trailer. Go ahead. You just keep pulling it some.
What you doing? Just Buggin.
What do you got right here?
We got a 1966 Beetle, complete. Appears to be the original motor, so it's matching numbers. That's not proven yet, but it's gonna be body off of the chassis. It's got some rot in the floors, but it's not as bad as it appears. The heater channel's a little rotted near the front up there. So this one's going to come off. It'll be easier to repair some of these. The pillar over there is detached. This one's fine. I mean, there's probably a little weakness there if you can see with the door, if it tweaks it. No. Got the original rims on it. The motor is seized. I don't know if it's because it's been sitting a while or part because of that. Found it in a field in Williston, Florida. I mean, that's the original oil bath. It's still a generator. Just put a partial in there. And then this pillar area will have to be repaired. You see it's on the rocker and the heater channel there. So it's a complete car. It has the AM radio in it, the red interior. So my idea, I mean, anybody out there that's interested in getting a 66 Beetle, I'm going to be building this to sell it. So if somebody wants to buy it beforehand and me build it the way they want it, what I want to do with this, since it comes with red interior, of course I'm going to replace the seat covers and everything, but I've always wanted one of these gunmetal gray with red interior. It's just gorgeous, a hot gunmetal gray. I just love these headlights, man. So cool. And I've got another set of these, so I've got some bezels probably better shape than these. So wow, 66. You can look inside here, the fuel tank and everything in here looks pretty good. Alright, see under here? I mean, the panel is still there. There's some bumper brackets. Must be a brace for it. It broke off, rusted off. Huh. So the guy took the drum off and took the shoes out because one of the wheels was locked up. And fuel tank, it's got some kerosene in it. Pretty nasty. I don't know whether I'll be able to use this. And a bunch of bows. Yeah, these are the bows for the headliner. I'm going to put a red tweed headliner in this one. So it looks like it was an originally white car. But like I said, I've always wanted a gunmetal gray one with red interior. It just looks hot. And the windshield wiper tank still looks good. And this is your brake fluid. Pretty cool. And the springs still work. Sweet. Yeah. Look at that nice emblem there. Cool. All the glass is good. All of it's original. I'd replace that windshield. Yeah. Yep. Needs a new windshield. Wow. Cool car. Don't forget the pop-out windows. Oh yeah. So if any of y'all are interested, this will be for sale. I'm going to set it aside for a while, probably cover it with a tarp because I'm not going to get to this. The 73 will be next. So anyone interested in me restoring this for them and you want it the color and the interior you want it, pull the body off, like I said, replace the pans, replace the package tray. If you want heater channels in it, of course, you're going to put the heater boxes in it, and then I'm going to send the motor out to have it disassembled and evaluated and rebuilt to go with the car, unless of course somebody wants a high performance build or something. So let me know. Hit us up at Just Buggin.
Just Buggin. Oh yeah. Alright, G-Man, Just Buggin, out. Have a good day.
Hey guys, if this might be something that you're interested in and you want me to build it a certain way, a certain color, a certain interior, a certain motor, I can do that for you. Check out what we've done with this 1972 Super Beetle, and it's already sold, so it's not for sale, and it's about to be out of here shortly. And check out our video, Father and Son's Passion for the VW Beetle. It shows a lot about my experiences and all the cars and muscle cars and VWs and a variety of cars that I've restored. So if you're interested, hit us up and let us know. And if you like, we appreciate you viewing the video. And subscribe, like, make a comment. Just Buggin, G-Man, out.